Some walls are made of bricks and others just fear, wearing a name tag that says reality. Some barriers are definitely real and others just stories we've repeated so long we've forgotten to ask if they're even true. See, they told me bobsledding wasn't for Jamaicans, that guys like us didn't belong on ice. Turns out though, the only thing frozen was your mindset. Just know that some walls aren't really walls, they are fog made of doubt and fear and hand-me-down limits. The game changes when you realize that the barrier wasn't real. The only thing holding you back really was the belief that something was. So stop waiting for permission. Push through the fog because there's nothing solid stopping you. Keep on pushing.